Today I'm going to show you how to custom your animations using paths in Microsoft PowerPoint. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to actually animate something. So for example, we're going to scroll down here and we're going to look for one of our slides that has an image in it. So let's use this one here and let's select the image. Now you can select text boxes, images, videos, whatever element you want. For example purposes, I'm going to make this slightly smaller so it has space to move. Now what we want to do is, while it's selected, go up to the ribbon, click animations and use this drop down menu on the right hand side of this bar. Come down, scroll and look for motion paths. So you've got standard lines, arcs, turns, shapes, loops, but then we have custom path. Now I'm going to show you one of these standard movements. So let's use turns. By default, it will move to the right and move down. But let's say we don't want this to do that movement. On the right, we'll see effect options. And here you can see that there are 4 different ways. Let's say I want mine to do that. And there we go. We're done. Now, what we can do next is click on custom path. And custom path allows you to literally take your cursor, click down and draw where you want your element to move, like so. All right, there we go. Now click on custom path again and bam, you've got it. Now if you want to make any changes, you can go ahead and move this about. You can also change how it actually moves by changing the bars. And then we have the duration. So let's say we want to make that slightly shorter. Click on preview on the top left. That's how quick it'll be. Let's say we want to make it longer. Let's say we want to make it 5 seconds. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to make that movement in a duration of 5 seconds.